A viewer had a question about the center console on a Dodge Charger, so here we go. This is a center console that I turned down. The whole thing is a warped up mess. I've never seen this before in a vehicle, so maybe you have, I haven't. But let's get to one that we can fix. This one is also a 2015 with the center bezel that easily comes loose. We don't have to take it off entirely in order to get room for our stapler. And we'll do some masking here in preparation for our glue. And I am going to spray some Landau top cement down in here. By the way, at the suggestion of another one of our viewers, I am doing the same thing with the door panels now. Just shooting some glue down in there before stapling. And a little xylene will clean off any excess glue where we don't want it. Xylene because it stays wet for longer and it doesn't harm the substrates. And like the door panels, I want a good bit of heat on this vinyl to try to reshape it. At least it will soften so we can put it back in place. Now in just a minute, I'm going to set this heat gun down inside the car, which is breaking one of Rick's rules. Anyone that's taken individual training from me know that one of Rick's rules is to never set anything down inside or on the car. And that goes for the heat gun too. So if I break a rule, I'll immediately know about it. And in this case, I am going to set the heat gun down, but I will have switched it to the cool setting. So yes, I do have a list of rules, but those are designed to keep Rick out of trouble. So the shifter is in the way right here. We'll have to take care of that in a minute. Meanwhile, a couple of staples have not hit home well, so I have to remove them and try them again. And I've shifted it into drive so that I can drive in these next couple of staples. So that's all there is to that operation. It's amazing what a difference that made to the appearance in this car. Now for this same car, I also had a door panel to repair. And let me tell you what, this is the last straw right here. Also, for the push pins on the door, I've been pushing the pin in halfway and prying it out. And that way you can separate the two parts and then reinstall, and you don't have to lose any of them. Let's close out our video with a brief tech tip. If you're spraying with a gun, you have control over the volume and the air pressure. But if you're spraying with a Preval sprayer or an aerosol can, you don't have control over that. And you may find that you'll get a big droplet right in the middle of your work, ruining the final appearance. So for a cleaner finish, hold your aerosol or your Preval back 12 to 18 inches and aim for the cardboard masking instead of for the repair area. That way gravity will pull the bigger drops down and they will hit the cardboard. It's the overspray from the cardboard that's the finer spray, giving you that fine finish you're looking for. This is especially helpful with metallics. So thank you for watching, and thank you for the questions and the suggestions from the viewers in our repair community.